Hello children, today we are going to learn about decimals. What is decimals? When the whole part and the fractional part separated by dot, that is called decimals. That point should call decimal point. Now see the place value chart of decimals. Already we have learned normal place value, ones, tens, hundreds. Next, after the decimal point, we have to write the numbers in the place value table. That is, first one, tens. After the decimal point, first digit place value is tenth. Next, hundredth. Next, thousand. Like that, one. See the example. First question 1.2. Next question 12.05. Third question 125.789. These are the decimal numbers. These numbers we have to enter in the place value table. Listen carefully how I am reading the decimal numbers. First one 1.2. Next one 12.05. See children, after the decimal point 05 you have to read. Each digit you have to pronounce separately. See the third question 125.789. So like this you have to read the decimal number. Now come to the place value table. Already I have told you ones, tens, hundreds is the usual place value table. So here decimal point should come. After the decimal points we have to enter the digits. That place value name is 10, 100, 1000. Now we can enter the decimal numbers. First one 1.2. 1 should write in the ones place. Keep the decimal point. After the decimal point 2 is there, that you have to write in 10th place. Next question 12.05. So in 12, 2 should write in the ones place, 1 should write in the tens place. Decimal point. After the decimal point 0 and 5 is there. 0 should write in 10th place, 5 should write in 100th place. Next, 125.789. 125, 5 should write in ones place, 2 should write in tens place, 1 should write in 100th place. After the decimal point numbers are there, first 7 is there, 7 should write in 10th place, 8 should write in 100th place, 9 should write in thousandth place. Now, let us learn fraction as decimals and decimals as fractions. Let us learn the topic through the exercise. See the first question. Write the following decimals. Write in the place value table. Already I have told you. Here first question is 19.4. 19 in 9 should write in the ones place. 1 should write in the tens place. After the decimal point should come in the 10th place. Like that you have to write remaining decimal numbers also. Next question. They have given in words. We have write as a decimal. The question is 7 tenths. See the question properly. 7 tenths. So 7 tenths. Tenths already I have told in the table. Tenth means 1 by 10 should come. So 7 tenths means 7 by 10. So 7 by 10 we have to write as a decimal. According to the 0, in the denominator 10 is there. 10 having 1 0. According to the 0, we have to keep the decimal point in the numerator from the right side. So from the right side, before the 7 we have to keep the dot. So answer is 0.7. See the next question. 2 tenths and 9 tenths. Okay. 2 tenths. 2 and 10. 2 into 10. That is 20. Next, 9 tenths. Already we had seen in the first question 7 tenths. How we have written 7 by 10. Like that 9 tenths, 9 by 10. 9 by 10. So 20 plus 9 by 10, write as a decimal 0.9. So now we have to add these two numbers. Here I have done 20 is a whole number that should write before the decimal point. Next is 0.9. Then you add the numbers, you will get answer 20.9. Next question 14.6. It's very easy to write in decimal. 14 is a whole number, point is a decimal point, and 6. That is the answer. Next question. Write the following as decimals. Here they have given the question 3 plus 7 by 10. Here 3 is a whole number. 7 by 10 should come in the decimal after the decimal point. So 3 plus 7 by 10. 7 by 10 write as a decimal 0.7. Then we have to add, we will get answer. Here I have done the rough work. Next question 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1 by 10. So 200 plus 60 plus 5, normally we will write the expanded form, no? Like that we can make it as a standard form. So 265 is a whole number. 1 by 10 we can write as a decimal 0.1. Already I have told you, according to the 0 we have to keep the dot in the numerator from the right side. So answer is 265.1. Next, see the question. Here they have given mixed fraction 4 2 by 10. First of all, we have to convert into improper fraction. 4 2 by 10. 10 is the denominator, 4 is a whole number. So denominator and whole number we have to multiply, then add with the numerator. So the answer is 42 by 10. 42 by 10, according to the 0, we can keep the dot in the numerator from the right side. So answer is 4.2. Next question, 3 by 2 is a fraction. We have to convert into decimals. That is very easy. Now look at the denominator. Denominator have 2. With the 2, which number multiply, you will get 10. Because denominator we have to make it as 10. So that's why with the 2, 5 multiply, 10 will come. That same 5 we have to multiply with the numerator also. So finally we will get 15 by 10. Now easily we can write as a decimal. According to the 0, we can keep the dot. So answer is 1.5. See the next question. Here they have given mixed fraction. 3 by 5. This mixed fraction also convert into a improper fraction. After made an improper fraction, same thing. Denominator we have to convert as a 10. Here denominator 5 is there. With the 5 multiply by 2 we will get 10. That same 2 multiply by the numerator also. So answer is 36 by 10. Now easily we can do it as a decimal. So 3.6. Next question. They have given the decimal number. First of all we have to convert as a fraction. Next reduce into the lowest form. Okay. Now 0.6 is a decimal number. Convert into a fraction. After the decimal point, we have only one digit. According to the digit, we can write as a denominator. Here one digit is there. After the decimal point, one digit is there. That's why I have written 10 in the denominator. So this 6 will come in the numerator. So 0.6 convert as a fraction is 6 by 10. Now this 6 by 10 we have to make it a lowest form. So 6 by 10 we can divide by 2 table, we will get answer. This is the simplest form of 6 by 10. Next 2.5. 2.5 convert into a fraction. After the decimal point, one digit is there. According to the digits, we have to make as a denominator. So 25 by 10 as a fraction. After do the simplify, we'll get answer 5 by 2. Next, express the following as centimeter using decimals. Here they have given millimeter, mm, so short form of millimeter. So 2 millimeter convert into centimeter using decimals. See this one already we have learned 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Using this we can convert as a decimal. So 2 millimeter equal to 2 by 10 centimeter. So when millimeter convert into a centimeter, we have to divide by 10. So 2 by 10 I divided. Here 10 is there, 10 having 1 0. According to the 0, we have to keep the dot. So answer is 0.2 centimeter. So like this, we have to follow the next two answer also. Next question. Next question, 162 millimeter. So here also same thing we are going to use 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. So 162 millimeter equal to 162 by 10 centimeter. When divided by 10, it will become a centimeter. So according to the 0, we have to keep the dot in the numerator from the right side. So I have kept the dot 16.2 centimeter. So next question also same procedure you have to follow. Now come to the next question. Here they have given the decimal number. We have to shows on the number line. Here 0.2 is a question. 0 and 1 between we have to divide it into 10 parts. After divided 10 parts, we can write after 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 like that. 0.9 we have to fill the dividing column. After that we can mark 0.2. See the next question, 1.9 is there. Here 1 is a whole number. According to the whole number, we have to choose the number line. Here 1 is there, that's why 1 and 2 between we have to make we have to divide it 10 parts. After make parts, according to the whole number we have to write. Here whole number 1 is there, so 1.1, 1.2 like that goes on. See the third question, 5.1. Here 5 is a whole number. So 5 and 6 between we have to make 10 parts. After make the parts, we have to write 5.1, 5.2. According to the whole number, we have to write the decimal numbers. Then you can mark the decimal number. Now come to the next exercise. Here they have given decimal numbers. We have to enter in the place value table. This also already we had seen before pages. Here after the decimal point 2 digits and 3 digits they have given. So according to that we have to make a table and enter the numbers. Next, write each of the following decimals in words. This is very easy to write in words. See the question 0.03. How we are reading the question, same way you have to write in words. 0.03. That only you have to write in words. Here 108.56. After the decimal point, already I have told you, after the decimal point, each digit only you have to read separately. So 108.56. Next question, 5.008. How we are reading like that, you have to write 5.008. Thank you, children.